You can't have $1 million dream with a minimum wage work ethic. Now, what does that have to do with affiliate mentor cost? What does it cost to start affiliate mentor? That's a great question, but I have a better one. What does it cost to wait on your dream? Because you think you can say, oh, I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start in the new year. I'll start the gym in the new year. Tragedy could strike tomorrow. Tragedy struck me. My wife got hit right in front of me by a car going over 45 miles an hour. It was her Friday. She was off, and she got hit right in front of me. Hit the windshield and bounced 50 feet and landed, and I thought she was dead. Took her 8 minutes to wake up, and she still isn't even able to walk. This was November 20th. It is May now, and she is still recovering. Guess what? My hustle is never ending. I got a reason even more to hustle now, because I got pretty much all the bills on my head. Now, luckily, she does get Social Security. She retired first, but she just got turned down for disability. Nothing is guaranteed in this life. Not your job, not your 401k. Who knows what's going on in the world today? They are cutting things left and right. Things are getting so expensive. Eggs are, chickens walk around with like they got necklaces on. If tragedy strikes, and it can happen to any of us, did I think in September, October, I had about $8,500 in the bank in November. Now, I didn't think my wife was going to get hit by a car, but guess what? She did, right in front of me. And I was back to work the very next day. And people telling me, oh, I should take FMLA. Now, somebody needs to work. It sure wasn't going to be my wife. She's sitting up in the rehab facility to this day. Been in the hospital or a rehab facility since November 20th. Still is not able to walk. Guess what? I'm going to hustle even more. I'm going to make my dream. So what does it cost? What does it cost to keep waiting? I wish I would have joined this program way before. Just the bonuses alone can help you build any online business, but I'm going to break down the cost right now. So it is $50 a month to join Core. Now, what do you get for $50? A lot. And you even get 10 cents a click. Even if somebody doesn't buy from you, there's a way to earn with this thing. And everybody needs traffic no matter what business. What do you make every month for that $50? When you bring in somebody for $50 a month to the Core, you get, $20 a month. Residual income. Residual income is amazing. Okay, so that's Core. Every $50, you get $20 a month. Okay, so then there is annual. Core. If you don't want to pay monthly, you upgrade to the annual. That's $397. What do you get when somebody joins annual? You get $200. Boom. Big commission. So, what is our strategy when we get an all-in membership? We take that $200 and we take that $20 and I will buy my team traffic and put them, first it'll be just me and the first person that's smart enough to get in with me. $220 worth of traffic and exactly 200 plus 20 is $220, and that's exactly how much it costs for the package I'll be buying, $220. So I'm going to go take all those profits and put it right back into building my list, building your list, and helping us get sales, leads, and helping build that know, like, and trust factor in with people. And they're going to be getting emails from me. They're going to get me videos from me. And VIP, how does that work? Well, it's a cycler. So you're going to make it endless. It costs $297. if you want to go VIP, and we'll give you the team a Simple Freedom Warriors team site where you can earn 50% commissions, and you're up to it, the elite marketer, for free. You didn't had to pay anything for this. You get this free to give to anybody, and it has an amazing amount of bonuses, training for everybody. I already showed you our Team Freedom Warriors site. Well, this is Team Freedom Warriors site on steroids. And you get it for free, and now you can make 50% commissions on instant commissions on any. If you want to be paid in Doge, you want to pay in Cash App, you want to be paid in Venmo, you want to pay Walmart to Walmart, you want to pay paid in silver, you want to pay in gold, 50%. And you get 50% commissions on 4, 5, 6 levels? It's up to elite marketer. And he'll hold a weekly training, a weekly Zoom, where he will help bring people and get you paid. You don't have to do anything but show up. Okay, so $297 gets you endless, gets you $250 each time to pay. Every time you cycle, you get $750. Now that $750, $250 gets you back in the cycler. Okay, so you make $500, and then if you cycle, and if your team cycles, you get a 50% match. So that's $250 every time one of your team members cycle. So it definitely pays to help your team succeed. And that's why one of the reasons we have a rotator. We'll put you in our rotator, but we'll also build you a rotator if you go all in. Aha! The first person, I'm going to take that 220 that goes all in, whether I bring him or my team, my JT brings him, I'm going to take that 220 and put it right back into traffic. Every single time I make 220, I'm going to put it into traffic. Every single time. That's free traffic. I already went all in. So now I'm just building my business and building my leads, building my email list, building that trusted factor, and helping you build your business too. You want to be in our team because we have the best training. We have the best team. Our team people are ranking all over YouTube. This is a video I just put up just a few hours ago. With 3 minutes in, the first time I checked, it was number 1 overall. And I've seen it as number 2 too. Affiliate Mentor, give me a second.